Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed the chapter areas related to circles. In this chapter, we are discussing on the areas based on the circumference of the circle or perimeter of the circle or area of the segment, area of the sector. We are discussing all those things. Okay, and in the previous classes we solved some problems also. Today we continue with the problems. Okay, now the next problem is find the area of segment AYB shown in the figure. If the radius of the circle is 21 centimeter and angle AOB is 120 degree, given the figure here you have a figure. Here is a circle with center O. In this figure, AYB is a sector formed by the angle AOB. AYB is a sector formed by the angle AOB. Here the angle AOB is 120 degree. This is given. Okay. And radius of the circle is 21 centimeter. Here AB is a chord, AO is the radius and OB is the radius. Here the radius is given, AO is given is 21 centimeter. What we have to find here? Find the area of the segment AYB. We have to find the area of this segment. We have to find the area of this segment. You have to find this area. Okay, you have to find this area. So for that, we have to consider how we have to find this area of the segment. Area of segment AYB. First we have to write the given things here. What are the given things here? Angle AO, that means theta. Theta is 120 degree. This is given. Angle AO means theta is 120 degree. And radius of the circle R is equal to 21 centimeter. These are the given things. Okay. And then we have to find the area of segment AYB. Area of segment AYB is equal to area of segment AYB is equal to area of sector OAYB. Okay, area of sector OAYB. Area of sector OAYB minus area of this triangle AOB minus area of triangle AOB minus area of this triangle AOB. In this way, we have to find the area of the segment AYB. Okay, understand? This area of the segment AOB is given by area of this sector OAYB. You have to find the total area of this sector. After finding the total area of this sector, we have to subtract the area of this triangle. First, we have to find the area of the sector. Here, area of the sector. OAYB is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. This is the formula to find the area of the sector. Okay. So area of sector OAYB is equal to theta. What is theta? Theta is 120 degree. 120 divided by 360 means 22 by 7 into R. What is our radius? Radius is given by 21. 21 that is 21 square. That is 0 0 cancel. 12 ones are 12 threes are. That is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 square means 21 into 21. Okay. Now we have to cancel here. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. 7 ones are 7 ones are get cancelled. Now here we have area of sector is 22 into 21. 22 into 21. What is 22 into 21? 22 into 21. 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 2, 6, 4, 462. That is equal to 462 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector OAYB. Now we should find the area of the sector OAYB. That is 462 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have to find the area of area of triangle AO. We have to find the area of the triangle. Here AOB is a triangle. Here the angle is 120 degree. Have to draw the perpendicular here. A, this is A, this is O and this is B. Okay, this is M. Draw a perpendicular OM to AB. Now make the construction to find the area of this triangle, because area of the triangle is given by half into base into height. Here AB is the base, okay, but we don't know the length of AB. Okay, the area of the triangle is given by half into base into height. For this triangle, AB is the base, but they don't give the length of AB, so we have to find the length of AB first. After that, we have to find the height. Height is also not given, so we have to first find out the length of the base and length of the height. So for that, we have to draw a perpendicular OM to AB. Draw perpendicular OM perpendicular to AB. Draw OM perpendicular to AB. Okay. After drawing OM perpendicular to AB, we have to consider here the angle is divided. This 120 angle is divided into 60. Because OM is perpendicular to AB, therefore angle AOM is equal to 120 divided by 2. That is equal to 2 ones are 260. That is equal to 60 degree. Angle AOM is equal to 60 degree. Now you have to consider the trigonometric ratios. The trigonometric ratios are discussed in the later classes. Just you have to use those trigonometric ratios to solve this problem. Okay. Here we have to consider the sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to sin 60. What is sin 60? Opposite side. Here O is an angle. The opposite is AM. Opposite Sine 60 is opposite side by hypotenuse. Here the hypotenuse is AO. Okay. Hypotenuse means the side opposite to the right angle. The side opposite to the right angle here. Therefore, here AO is the hypotenuse. AM by AO. Sin theta is given by opposite side. The side opposite to the angle 60 degrees is AM, and the hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right angle. Okay, the sine 60 here. What is the value of sine 60? The value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. That is equal to AM. AM is this can be find out, but we know the value of AO. AO is the radius of the circle. Therefore, that is equal to 21 centimeter. We have to cross multiply this. 21 root 3 by 2 is equal to AM. Therefore, the length of AM is 21 root 3 by 2. Okay. And we have to take the cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to adjacent side, that is OM. Adjacent by hypotenuse AO. Cos 60, the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to what is OM? We don't know OM. What is AO? AO is 21. You are just cross multiply this. 21 by 2 is equal to OM. OM is given by 21 by 2 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle AOB is equal to half into base. Base is given by AB. AB is equal to what? AB is equal to here. AB is equal to AM plus MB. AM plus MB. Here we have to consider AB. AB is equal to AM plus MB. What is AM? AM is 21 root 3 by 2. 21 root 3 by 2. MB is also 21 root 3 by 2. Because OM is perpendicular to AB, MB is the midpoint. Therefore, AM is equal to MB. Both are 21 by 2. We have to add that. That is 21 root 3 by 2 plus 21 root 3 by 2 is 42 root 3 by 2. That is 2 ones are 2 21s are. That is 21 root 3. AM is 21 root 3. Okay. AM is 21 root 3 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, the base AB is the length of AB is 21 root 3 into what is AO? Half into base into height. Here the height means OM. What is OM? OM is 21 by 2. 21 by 2. Okay. OM is 21 by 2. That is equal to 2 2s are 4. 21 into 21. Root 3 by 2. Okay. What is 21 into 21? 21 into 21. 1 ones are 1, 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 1, 6, 4. 461. 461. 461 root 3. 461 root 3. Okay. 461 root 3 by 4. Okay. This is the area of the triangle AOB. Here the sector OAYB minus area of the triangle. We have to know the value of root 3. The value of root 3 is root 3 by 4. The value of root 3 is 1.73. 1.7 approximately equal to 1.7. We have to multiply this by that. We have to get the values. Okay. That is equal to, okay, here 461 by 4 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, this is the area of the triangle. This is the area of the triangle. Okay. Now, therefore, the area of the sector, here the area of the segment AYB is equal to area of sector OAYB minus area of triangle AOB. We have to find the area of the sector is 462 centimeter square minus area of the triangle AOB is 441 by 4 root 3 centimeter square. That is equal to 462 minus 441 by 4 root 3. After finding this, we have to get the answer. This is the answer. We have to put the answer as it is. Okay. No more required of further simplification. We have to put as it is also. Okay. Now we pass on to the next problem. Here in the exercise they given the correct answer. Area of the sector, area of the sector, area of the sector of angle, area of the sector of an angle of angle P, of angle P of a circle with radius R is option A P by 180 into 2 by R. Option B P by 180 into pi r square. Option C here P by 360 into 2 by R. To 2 by R. Option D here P by 360 3 by 720 into 2 pi r square. This is the problem is here. Pick the correct answer. Here area of a sector of angle P. Here the sector angle is given. The sector angle is P of a circle with the radius R. Here the radius is given by capital R. Therefore, what is the formula to find the area of the sector? We know that the area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Is there option is there? Theta by 360. Here theta can be taken as P. P by 360 into pi r square. No option. Option A resembles to this. No. Option B. No. Option C. No. But option D. P by 720 into 2 pi r square. Okay. Here pi r square is there. Theta is there, but no 360. Here 2 is given. You can divide 720 by 2. You get this. That is 2 ones are 2 360s are, because 720 is twice of 360. Therefore, after simplifying this becomes P by 360 into pi r square. Okay. Therefore, this is the answer. P by 360 into pi r. That is theta by 360 into pi r square. We get after simplifying the option D. Okay. We get the answer. Now, pass on to the next problem. Find the area of quadrant. Find the area of quadrant. What is quadrant? Find the area of quadrant of circle whose circumference is is 22 centimeter. Circumference is 22 centimeter. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Here the circumference is given. Circumference means 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 22 centimeter. They given. We should find the area of the quadrant of a circle. What is meant by quadrant of a circle? Quadrant means 1/4 of a circle. Therefore, we have to find the 1/4 area of a circle. Okay. Then first they given the circumference, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 22 centimeter. What is 2 ones are 2 11s are. Okay. Pi r is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay. Here, what is the value of pi? Pi is 22 by 7. R is equal to 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 20. That is 2 by 7. R is equal to 1. After cross multiplication, R is equal to, we have to cross multiply 7 ones are 7. Divided by here, divided by 2. R is equal to 7 by 2. Here To clear understanding of this is very important. Here we have fraction 1. We can write this as 1. Okay. If you want the value of r, you just transfer it this. We have to kept r as it is. Here only we have to transfer the 7 ones are 7. Okay. 2 ones are 7 by 2 centimeter. The value of r is 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay. Now we can find the area of quadrant of the circle. Okay. To find the area of the circle, we need the radius of the circle. So first we have to find the radius. We have already found out the radius of the circle. Now we go to the area of quadrant. Area of quadrant of the circle. Area of quadrant of the circle is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 the area of the circle. Here the place pi r square. 1 by 4 the pi r square. That is equal to 1 by 4 into pi means 22 by 7. What is r? R is 7 by 2 whole square. This can be simplified here. 2 2s are 2 11s are. That is 1 by 2 into 11 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay. Here 7 7 get answer. 11 7s are 77. 77. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 77 by 8 centimeter square. The area of the quadrant is 77 by 8 centimeter square. To divide the 77 by 8, 8 9s are 72. 7 minus 2, 5.0. 8 6 are 48. This 2 approximately is equal to 9.6 centimeter square. 9.6 centimeter square. This is the area of the quadrant of a circle. Okay. Now we have to solve one more problem here. Okay. The next problem is the length of the unit hand. Length of the unit hand of a clock. The length of the unit hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand by the minute hand in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. Here the problem is the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. How much of area? When the minute hand swept us in 5 minutes. How much area is covers in 5 minutes? Okay. For that we have to write a clock here. Clock is in the shape of the circle here. Okay. So for that we have to write a circle here first. Okay. After that we have a minute hand here. We have to consider here. A clock is divided into, it can be divided into 12 sectors, each of 5 minutes. Okay. This is 12, this is 1, and this is 1, and this is 2, and this one is 3. Okay. After 5 minutes, find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. This minute hand swept us to this side. After 5 minutes, here it swept us this much of area in 5 minutes. Okay. It takes this much of area in 5 minutes. Okay. We have to find the area of this. We have to find the area of this. Okay. Here, this can we have to consider the center of the clock as center of the circle. Okay. The given length of the minute hand means the radius of the minute hand. That is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. The minute hand takes this much of area in 5 minutes. It has how many sectors here? 12 sectors. Okay. Because it has 12 sectors. What is the angle here? The angle at the center is how much? It is 360 degree. Angle at the center. Angle at the center is equal to 360 degree. This 360 degree angle is divided into how much sectors? 12 sectors. Therefore, angle at each sector. What is the angle? Angle at each sector? Angle at each sector. Angle at each sector is equal to, we have to divide 360 by 12 because the total angle is divided into 12 parts. Each part takes that much of angle. That is 12 ones are 12 threes are. That is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle at each sector is 30 degree. So what we get? We get the angle theta. Therefore, the theta is equal to, the angle at the center theta is equal to 30 degree. We get the value of theta here. Okay. Theta is 360 degree. We get. Now we have to find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Therefore, area swept by the minute hand. Area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, is equal to area swept by the minute and in 5 minutes is equal to the we have to consider this point is A and this point is B and here is point Y. Area of the sector AYB. Area swept by the minute and 5 minutes is equal to area of sector OAYB. Area of sector OAYB. What is the formula to find the area of the sector? The formula to find the area of the sector is formula is given by theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. What is theta is here? Theta is 30 degree. So we have to write 30 divided by 360 into pi r square. Pi means the value of pi can be taken as 22 by 7 or radius is how much? 40 centimeter. 14 square. Okay. Here 0 get the answer. 3 ones are 3 12s are. That is 1 by 12 into 22 divided by 7 into 14 square means 14 into 40. Okay. 7 ones are 7 twos are. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Here 2 ones are 2 6s are 12. Okay. Again here 2 3s are 2 11s are. Now that is equal to here 1 into 11 into 1 into 14. 11 into 40 divided by here 3 ones are 50. 11 into 14 is 50. So first we have to multiply 11 into 40. 11 into 40. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. This 4 plus 1 5. 154. This 154 that is equal to 154 divided by 3. We have to divide this 154 by 3. Now 3 5s are 15. Okay, 0. 4 is remaining. 3 1s are 3. 1 is remaining. 0.0. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 51 point is equal to 51.3 centimeter square. 51.3 centimeter square. This is the area swept by the minute hand. Area swept by the minute hand in how many minutes? In 5 minutes. Area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay. So we have to solve more problems in the next class. Thank you for watching this video.